Hello everyone and welcome back. In this short lesson you are going to learn about a few words with their English meanings as well as their Urdu meanings, and you will know what are the words in grammar. Are they adjectives, are they verbs, are they adverbs, what are they? And you will know how to use them in sentences. So let's begin the lecture without wasting our time. Let's get started. So the first word is rebut. Rebut, which means that to prove that something is not true. To prove that something is not true. In Urdu we say गलत साबित करना. Let me give you examples. She will rebut the wrong idea. She will rebut the wrong idea. He tries to rebut the false rumor. He tries to rebut the false rumor. Rumor means afwah. The next word is ultimate. Ultimate. Ultimate means last or final. Let me give you examples. The ultimate goal is to win the championship. The ultimate goal is to win the championship. Let's look at the next sentence. The ultimate goal is to finish the project on time. The ultimate goal is to finish the project on time. The next word is offender. Offender means that someone who has done crime. Someone who has done crime. वो शख्स जिसने जुर्म किया हो. In Urdu we say mujrim. Let me give you examples. The offender was arrested by the police. The offender was arrested by the police. Offender, it's a noun. Okay, in English grammar, offender is a noun. The next example is the offender apologized for his actions. The offender apologized for his actions. The next word is domestic. Domestic is an adjective in English which means relating to home or family. Relating to home or family, in Urdu we say घरेलू. Domestic. Let me give you examples in this word. Domestic violence is a serious issue. Domestic violence is a serious issue. Let's look at another example. Domestic chores like cleaning and cooking are part of life. Domestic chores like cleaning and cooking are part of life. Chores का मतलब है CHORES, chores, ये घर के काम काज को कहा जाता है. The next word is dejected. Dejected, which means feeling sad. It means खफा होना, दुखी होना. In English it's an adjective. Let me give you example. He looked dejected after losing the game. He looked dejected after losing the game. दोस्तों अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आ रही हो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा चैनल को और वीडियो को एक लाइक भी दीजिएगा. Let me give you another example in dejected. She felt dejected when her favorite team didn't win. She felt dejected when her favorite team didn't win. The next word is concise. Concise. Concise means brief and to the point. Brief and to the point. It's also an adjective which means mukhtasar. Let me give you examples. The report was concise and informative. The report was concise and informative. Let's look at another example. She gave a concise summary of the book. She gave a concise summary of the book. The another word is empower. Empower. Empower is also a verb in English which means ikhtiyar dena, taqat dena. Empower means to give someone the authority. To give someone the authority. Let's make example in this word. The company empowers employees to take initiative. The company empowers employees to take initiative. The next word is the program aims to give empower women in the society. The program aims to give empower women in the community or society. The another word is misguide. Misguide is a verb in English which means to give wrong information or misleading information. Simple words we say gumrah karna, right? Let me give you example in these words. The map misguided us and we got lost. The map misguided us and we got lost. The fake news article misguided many readers. The fake news article misguided many readers. The another word is notion. Notion. Okay, notion means ideas or opinion. Ideas or opinion. When it is notions, so it becomes ideas. When it is notion, so it becomes idea. Okay, idea or opinion means guman. Okay, in Urdu we say guman. It is a noun in English. Let me give you example in this word. I have a notion that it will be sunny tomorrow. I have a notion that it will be sunny tomorrow. Let's make another example. The notion of traveling abroad excites me. The notion of traveling abroad excites me. The next word is better half. Better half. Look, this word is so amazing, so nice word. I think everybody is having dreams to have really nice and really very friendly better half in his life and in her life. Okay, so better half means a life partner. A life partner can be a boy. For female it can be husband, and for the male it can be a wife. So it means that Jivan Sati. In Urdu we say Jivan Sati, but in English we say better half. Let me give you example. Look, better half is not a word, okay? It is a noun phrase. It is a noun phrase. It's a phrase, okay? So let me give you example in better half. I'm going on a date with my better half. Look, so amazing example. I'm going on a date with my better half. The next word, look, the next example in this better half. I'm celebrating my anniversary with my better half. I'm celebrating my anniversary with my better half. So the better half word, this is a noun phrase, but really amazing phrase it is. Okay, so dear viewers, these were the words that I taught you and I made example. Guys, when I make video, it takes too much time, so kindly support me, kindly watch the videos, and kindly give a comment and like as well. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and you have learned many things from this video. If you need more of these kind of videos in English, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye. See you with next lecture. Allah Hafiz.